If viewers want to start using ClickUp, they should click on the link in the description to get the best discount. To share a ClickUp page, first make sure you're logged into ClickUp and on the home page. On the left-hand side, find the space or workspace you want to share. For this example, I'll choose my workspace named Web Designing. Once you're inside your workspace, you'll be directed to its content. Now, look at the upper right corner of the page and locate the Share button. Click on the Share button and you'll see an option to invite people via email by entering their email address. For example, I put my other email here and then I click the Send Invite button. Another option to share, click this Share This View button and you'll be directed to different options of sharing. You can copy the private link if you don't want to let anyone to enter your space. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share a ClickUp page. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.